Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the app and readying your assets. Open the WordArt app, sign in if necessary, and tap New Project or the plus button to begin. Once done, import the photo or blank canvas you plan to use. Make sure the image is cropped roughly how you want it. You want layers visible, so enable the Layers panel now. This gets you straight to editing without wasting time on account setup or tutorials. You add and shape the text next. Tap the text tool, type your words, and position the text roughly where you want it on the canvas. Then pick a font and set size and alignment. Choose a contrasting color so the letters read clearly. Once applied, use effects, warp for curved shapes, outline for separation, and shadow for depth. Make sure to toggle opacity and blend modes while previewing so the art matches the background tone. You finish by exporting and checking the final file. Export as PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller size, and also save the layered project so you can edit later. Once exported, inspect edges, contrast, and placement on different backgrounds. Make small tweaks if letters look off. If you see pixelation or weird artifacts, increase export resolution, toggle anti-aliasing, or clear the app cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.